Hi guys, and welcome back here to Drone Emotion, a channel where we do drone videos and where we cover the most recent and most relevant drone news. Today my friends, we're back here once again with a brand new video with some breaking news for all of you once again, and that is because another Autel drone has been leaked. This is literally the third drone that has been leaked from Autel just this week. And guys, this brand new Autel drone is extremely interesting, and this is once again direct competition towards DJI, and that is because Autel is planning to release a brand new drone to compete directly with the DJI Air 2S and Mavic Air 2. And today's video we have the first image that have been leaked, and we're going to be sharing them with you, talking about the specs, pricing, and when is it that this new drone is going to be released. But before we get started, if you're new to the channel, welcome here, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because in this channel you know that we will always be the first ones to bring you the most recent drone news, no matter what. So if you want to keep up to date with any updates on whether it is the Mavic 3 from DJI or the Mini 3 or any Autel drone such as the Evo Mini, the Evo 3, or in this case the Evo Lite, well, this is the place to come for all of those updates. And also we're currently in the road to 10,000 subscribers, so if you're watching today's video and you're not subscribed yet, well, I invite you to go ahead and join the Drone Emotion family so you can help us get to that goal, which we're really not that far away from, guys. We're less than 3,000 subscribers away, so I will truly appreciate you hitting that subscribe button. So with that being said, why don't we just go ahead and dive right into today's video, which is going to be a quite exciting one, and one that I really did not expect it to do, but well, it has happened, and another day, another Autel leak, and I am very excited to share today's leaks with all of you. Well, you might remember that in the past few days we've talked about the Evo Mini that has been leaked, and also the Evo 3, but just today Autel has leaked a completely unexpected drone that I would never expected them to release, but they have done it, and they are going to be releasing, let's say, a mid-tier drone. This is going to be a drone which is going to be direct competition for the Mavic Air 2 and the DJI Air 2S. That's going to be their main target. So thanks for great guy Jasper Allens on Twitter. We have this great information that we can share with all of you in today's video, so a huge thanks to him for sharing this great information. So without any much further ado, my friends, let's go ahead and take a look at this new Autel drone that is going to be called the Autel Evo Lite. That's going to be the name that Autel has given this brand new drone, and I quite like it. I think it's quite different, and I think I'm glad with it. So let's go ahead and take a look at it right here on the screen. So that is our first image, and at a first glance this basically looks like a shrunk down Autel Evo 2, with the exception that we don't have those upward optical buttons and that kind of slump that we had at the back of the drone, which we found that our side sensors and also our upward sensor. So it looks like that will not be included with this new Autel Evo Lite. It looks like we're only going to be having forward, backwards, and downwards optical avoidance. Now what we have right there is a very interesting colorway. I really like it. I think it's something completely different and something that has never been done before. That kind of fluorescent yellow, I'm a big fan of that yellow. It looks really good in this model. Now, will it only be available in these colors? Well, no. This new Autel Evo Lite is going to be available in 4 different colors, and we're going to be sharing with you that other image in just a second. And there are going to be 2 different versions available to choose from, one with some different camera specs and then another one with a more professional camera setup, which is going to be probably the same camera setup that we find on the Air 2S from DJI. In our next video we're going to be talking about the exact camera specs. I don't want to make this video super long, so we're going to be in our next video talking about the camera specs, the differences between the two, because we're going to be having the Evo Lite and the Evo Lite Plus, and we're going to be talking about flight time, range, and a whole lot more info you're not going to want to miss out on. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and you turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on that video as soon as it goes live here in the channel. So let's go ahead and keep on sharing and talking with you about what other things do we have. So that is the first image that we have. Now we have a second one for you. So why don't we just go ahead and take a look at it right here on the screen. There we have that second image, and well, what we have right there at a first glance is looks like we have a dragonfish on the left side of the picture, but if you look close enough you're going to be seeing that we have right there the Autel Evo Mini and the Autel Evo 2, the Autel Evo Lite, I'm sorry. So we're gonna be right there, we have the small drones, those are the Evo Mini, and then we have a gray, an orange, and a white Evo Lite drone right there. So it looks like we're going to be having 4 different colorways to choose from. We're going to be having gray, the traditional Autel orange, white, which I'm a big fan of even though it's hard to see in the sky. I quite like white on drones, and also yellow, which is quite nice and something has never been done before, and I'm a big fan of that colorway. So that is our second image, and this was in fact leaked in an Autel store somewhere in China. This was leaked in a video, and that is how this image popped up. So this product has been fully developed and it's about to be released. So I want to talk about when is it that we can expect to see this drone and what price will it come at. So those are some very, very important factors. Now, first thing that we need to talk about is the fact that Autel has never before released a product in an event that has not been CES. Autel, for the past years and for as long as I can remember, they have been releasing every single brand new product in CES. And well, I think it will be quite strange for them to release this new Evo Lite till CES 2022, which is a little bit over 6 months away. I think that will not make a lot of sense, but I think that is definitely our first option, and let's say that is the worst case scenario. But according from what I'm hearing and seeing, it looks like it could be released as soon as next month. So I will keep you updated as soon as we have any more concise and more precise information on the release date. You will have it here first, but what I can tell you right now is that this new Autel drone could basically release at any time. So stay tuned and turn your post notifications because it might release whenever we are not expecting this drone to be released. This is a drone I'm very excited for. So this is the new Evo Lite, and let's talk about pricing. What will the pricing be? Well, I think it's going to be most likely in the same price range which the Mavic Air 2 and the Air 2S is priced at. I think that probably the Evo Lite is going to come at probably around $799 for that model, and then for the Evo Lite Plus, which has a more professional camera setup, more similar to what we have on the Air 2S, I think that one is going to be probably around $1,000 is something I will say. So I think that will be a pretty good price range in order to compete with DJI. I don't think Autel is going to price them a lot higher than their competitors, because otherwise that will make no sense, and that will be not some real good competition right there. So I think that's where the pricing is going to be at. It is still not confirmed, and as soon as we have the pricing confirmed, guys, don't worry, you know you are gonna be having it here first. But that has been the Autel Evo Lite and Autel Evo Lite Plus. I am very excited for this drone. This is definitely not going to be under 250 grams. This drone is probably going to weigh close to 600 grams, just like what the Mavic Air 2 weighs. So expect the price to be the weight right around the Mavic Air 2 and Air 2S weight range. So guys, those are the latest leaks that we have at the moment. I am definitely very excited. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section down below. Are you excited for the Evo Lite, or are you more excited for the Evo Mini or for the Evo 3, or are you just not excited at all for any Autel product, or you just gonna see the Mavic 3? But what I can tell you right now is that remember that the more competition there is, the more innovation, and we are the ones who are benefiting from this, because these companies keep pushing their limits to develop brand new things, and the only ones who are gonna benefit from this is us. So I'm very excited to see these brand new products. Autel is coming at DJI with everything they got. They are basically releasing an Evo Mini, an Evo Lite, and they're releasing the Evo 3, which is basically competition for DJI Mini 2, Air 2S, and Mavic 3. Guys, Autel is getting serious, and DJI must watch them and take some action, because if they don't do anything, they're going to be in some serious trouble and they're going to start taking some serious market share from DJI. Remember, Autel, you need to fix your delivery issues and availability for your drones. If you're able to get these drones more available outside the US, you're gonna kill it, guys. So I'm very excited to see these new Autel products, and let's hope that they are available and more easily available worldwide. So those are the latest leaks that we have at the moment. As soon as we have any more new info, you know you're gonna be having it here first. Thank you so much for watching, and see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Drone in Motion, signing out.